Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to get love in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. So firstly, we're gonna grab earth and then wind and then more earth, then fire to have sun, add more fire to have solar, and then add planet to have system. Then we add fire to have computer. Then add more computer to have server, and more computer to have internet. Then we add more server to have cloud. Add more cloud to have rain. Then leave this rain aside. We're gonna have computer and internet to have hacker. Then add internet to have virus. Add to the cloud to have mold. And then add internet to have meme. Leave the meme aside. We have internet and then system to have network. Then add internet to have social, and add network to have Facebook. Add the Facebook to the meme to have like, and then the final touch is add like to the like, so we have love. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.